Hello guys, we'll learn today VLAN virtual, that is virtual LAN and DHCP configuration in Cisco packet tracer. Okay, the purpose of VLAN is to logically divide a network into separate segments. Okay, this allows for better security, performance and management. Okay, this is the topology for this particular lab for VLAN and for configuration of DHCP. Okay, this is now scenario is like this, like there is one PWD headquarters there. Okay, that is where the 2811 router is installed. Okay, then there is a switch of 28 port switch. Okay, that is for a PWD headquarters. From there they have divided the network, okay, by doing virtual LAN. Okay, it's logical, it's not physical, that's why it is virtual. Okay, so there is a Cisco switch for one division, that is a PWD division 1, and another one is for PWD division 2. Okay, and the switch is Cisco switch, that is of 24 port. Okay, after that we have created two VLANs in a switch, 24 port switch, that is VLAN 2 and VLAN 3, and there is one more VLAN, that is default VLAN, that is VLAN 1. Okay, that is default. Okay, so from port 24 port switch we have connected to 24 port switch we have connected 4 PCs, that is PC0, PC1, PC2 and PC3. Okay, so PC0 and PC1 is in VLAN 2 and PC2 and PC3 is in VLAN 3. Okay, so see, and there is a IP DHCP pool that for the that is named as PWD headquarters, and its network is 192.168.0.0 and subnet mask is 255.255.255.0. It's a C class network, and the default router is 192.168.0.1, that is the gateway of this router 2811, that is of that is the IP given for fast Ethernet port 0/0 of router 2811. Okay, now see, the main thing is what that is see, this is PWD1 and this is PWD2. Okay, the main thing is to divide this 2 3 4 5 2 3 in one LAN, virtual LAN, and 3 and 4 2 and 3 to 4 and 5th port of router is for VLAN 3, so that PWD1 that office cannot communicate with this office. Without VLANs we can directly communicate to any PCs out of 24 port to any port of from one PC to rest all PCs from that means there is no distinct separation of ports, these are separated. Okay, so port number 2 and port number 3 is given to VLAN 2, and port number 4 and port number 5 of L2 switch, that is PW24 port switch, is given to PWD division 2. Okay, and first port is given to router, that is fast Ethernet 0/1. Okay, this is the scenario. Okay, now we will same configuration I will explain you. I will configure the same topology over here. Okay, so that you can come to know. Now I am selecting a router, that is a router 2811, that is the PWD division PWD headquarter router. Okay, Now I'm selecting 124 port 6, that is 2960. Okay, this is the second switch. Okay, this is switch 24 port. Then what I'm doing, I'm taking PC1, that is 0. Okay, now it has been changed because we have taken PC0 till okay, we have selected already. We have taken, this is not a separate lab, this is the same lab. I'm doing it below the main topology. Okay, so now this is the connection, this is the automatic, it selects automatic cables. Okay, so the port first is connected to port 00 is connected to 0 by 1. Okay, so you can see over here there are two ports, two fast ethernet port, that is 0 by 0 and 0 by 1. Okay, and these have switch have 24 ports. Okay, rest all that those are gigabits Ethernet, 0 by 1 and 0 by 2. Okay, so rest all will connect PC to this switch. Okay, now the connection has been done. Okay, so we'll configure router first. Okay, so for this we have to get into the router. Okay, this is CLI configuration. So first command is enable, then config, this configuration. So first what we'll do, we'll put a name for a router, that will be PWD headquarter office. Okay, now see the name has been changed. Okay, the router name has become PWD headquarter. Okay, so now we have to configure a DHCP pool. Okay, so for that now we have a command IP DHCP pool, whatever you can give, will give same name. Okay, PWD headquarter. Okay, this is a DHCP pool for PW. Now we'll put the network address, that is 192.168.0.0.0. Since it is a C class address, we'll give a subnet mask 255.255.255.0. Okay, this is subnet mask. Now we'll do the configuration of default router. That will be, it's a gateway 192.168.0.1. this will be the default router. Okay, now this is DHCP pool has been configured. Okay, now we'll have to give the configuration IP to the interface. So that is interface pass ethernet 0 by 0 of router. Okay, we will give IP address to this port. Okay, that will be 192.168.0.1. okay, and subnet mask will be 255.255.255.0. okay, and we'll do no shut. Okay, so this port is now open. Okay, see, it has become green now. Okay, it has become green, and We'll fast forward it. Okay, now it has become green. So DHCP pool has been configured. What we'll do now, we'll check. So this gateway is 192, gateway is 192.2.168.0.1. this is the gateway, that is the port number, fast Ethernet 050, that is the gateway. Now we'll check whether it has configured properly. You can check over it at this PC. Desktop, will go to the PC desktop and we'll check. Okay, see, so this is the gateway 192.168.0.1 and 192.168.0.2 is the IP address. It takes automatically when you configure DHCP pool. It will take the IP address from the pool that you have configured. So this is PC number, his IP will be 323, this will be 4 192, this will be 4, it will be same. Gateway is always same. This is the basic configuration. Okay, so if I want to see, this is now this will be your 192.168.0.1. okay, sorry, this is 0.0.2. okay, this will be 0.3, this will be 4 and this will be 5. So these are the IP address for these 4 pieces. Now we can check whether there is a connectivity. Okay, so what we'll do, we'll ping the PC7, will ping from PC4. okay, come to desktop of this PC. There's a command from, if you want to check a connectivity, now ping 192.168.0.7. okay, wait a minute. Okay, no need. Okay, I will put up this VLAN. With the config interface VLAN 1. So this is the default VLAN to no shut. Okay, so it has become up. Now we'll check. Just a minute. Enable hostname PWD headquarters switch. Okay, this is the name of the switch. Okay, enable config interface fast Ethernet 0/1 to switch port mode trunk. Okay, this port has been become up now. This port is up now of switch 0/1. Okay, now we can ping. Oh sorry, I'm pinging a wrong IP. This should be fine. Oh, sorry, it's pinging now. Okay, I was putting some wrong this thing. That's now 4 it will be, yeah, for 4 it's pinging. For 3 we'll check now. It's pinging. Okay, 2 3. Okay. And similarly we check from P 192.168.0.2 from PC7, that is IP address. Now it's pinging. Okay, so these PCs are communicating with each other. All right. Okay, so but the scenario is what, you know, you have to divide this 2 PCs in one separate like this. This has to be, this PC should not be communicate with rest 2 PCs. So this is PWD, this is PWD1, see, PWD1, this is PWD2. Okay, so we have to configure now. What we have to do is we have to mix these ports fast Ethernet 0/2 and 0/3 in PWD1, and we have to keep 4 and 5 fast Ethernet 4 and 5 in PWD2, that is in VLAN. This will be VLAN 2. The PWD1 will be VLAN 2, and this will be VLAN 3. Okay, there is a default VLAN, that is VLAN 1. Okay, so see, now since we have not configured what VLAN, show VLAN, to check VLANs, how many VLANs are there, you just type command VLAN, that is show VLAN, and see default VLAN. Okay, so these are the default VLANs. 12 ports are there in this is default. 12 ports are in VLAN 1. Okay, that is default. These are 13, 17, 20, 20. Okay, these are gigabits. Okay, these are gigabits ports. 30. These are all, actually these all from port 1 to 2 to, these are all in VLAN 1. Okay, now what we have to do is we have to configure 2 VLANs over here. Okay, so enable configure VLAN 2. Okay, name will do PWD 1. Okay, PWD why it doesn't take space. Okay, so it gets pwd1. Okay, so that is now another one, config. Okay, that is you can just get a VLAN 3 and name will be pwd2. Okay, sorry, that should not be space should not. Okay, so two VLANs are created, that is pwd1 and pwd2. Okay, so first we will just check whether it has been created. Check VLAN 3. These are the two VLANs have been created. This is pwd1 and pwd3. Okay, these are the VLANs. This is default one, and we have created. There is no active port. Okay, we have not given a port number 2 and 3 to this pwd1 and 4 and 5 port to so now we'll do it. Enable config. Okay, interface range, which port was a fast Ethernet 0 by 1, 0 by 2, 2, 3. Okay, so we'll put, there is a command switch port SS VLAN 2. Okay, so these 2 and 3 port we are putting into VLAN 2, that is pwd1. Okay, similarly we will put 5th port and 4th port in switch port SS VLAN 3. Okay, I will show you what is the status. Show VLAN. Okay, show VLAN. So what we'll have over here is, see this pwd1 port number 2 and port number 3, and pwd2 have 4 and 5th port. So these are separated. These ports are separate. Now we'll check whether these earlier what was to happen. We have ping from PC4 to PC5, PC6, PC7. Similarly, we have ping from PWD division 2 to PWD division 2, PC6, PWD division 1, PC5, and PWD PC4 from PWD division 1, that is VLAN 2 and VLAN 3. They were communicating. Now we'll check whether these PCs will communicate by pinging the port. Okay, just let's check whether it is pinged. Okay, earlier when I pinged 192.0.4, it was a pinging from PC4, that is PC4 is from VLAN 2 to this is PC4, and we had ping from PC. Now we'll check whether this PC4 is from VLAN 3. It was pinging. Then we checked for PC, that is PC5, this thing PC7, that is IP address 192.168.0.5. These were communicating. Now we will check from just whether it is pinging PC7 and IP address is 1.5. It will not communicate. We will wait for some time. It won't. It should not actually. Yes, with a request timeout. That okay. Yes, it's not pinging 3. Now we check for the another PC from VLAN 3. Okay, that is PC IP is 1.4. Okay, this will not communicate. Yes. Okay, it can communicate within the particular VLAN, not in another VLAN. That is what is called that is what is they say, no, that they separate the ports so that they cannot communicate. Some other office cannot access your PC. That is thing, that is the purpose actually of virtual. Now see, now IP address 3 will ping because it's in same VLAN. See, it's giving reply. Got the thing? So now suppose I ping PC number, this is PC number 6. PC number 6 cannot communicate with PC number 5 and PC number 4. It will communicate only with PC number 7. So if you want to check, okay, now you ping 192.168.0.4 will 5. 5 is within the LAN. Okay, so it will ping. It's pinging. It's giving reply. Okay, but it will not communicate with PC 5, that is IP address is 3. It will give request timeout. Yes, it won't ping since it is in separate VLAN. Yeah, it's not ping. Similarly, it won't ping with IP address 0.2. Okay, so this is the concept of VLAN, virtual LAN, that is to separate the so many ports are there. Okay, to just to this is the definition, that is the purpose. Okay, is to logically divide a network into separate segments in the sense division. Segments is to divide into blocks, like got the thing. So it is better for security, since you cannot directly communicate with PC of some other department. So this also helps in avoiding collision and all, since if you put a lot many this thing PCs in same port and all, there might occur a collision. Okay, so it's also help in performance. Alright, so if you like this video, please share. Okay, and you can comment if some your doubts or something. Okay, I'll try to resolve from my side. Okay, alright. Okay, this is the I'll put a PDF file in the link, so you can have a theory part of this. Okay, so thank you very much for listening. Please do like and share and subscribe. Alright, thank you very much.